This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Vaccination against COVID-19 for the 18 to 44 years age group will commence in Meghalaya from tomorrow, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced yesterday. Altogether, 42,000 doses of the vaccine ordered by the state government will arrive today. Vaccines will be earmarked for vulnerable districts and the health department will strategize the vaccination drive. 8 more COVID-19 related deaths took the fatality count due to the viral disease to 250 in Meghalaya yesterday. The state registered 406 cases of new infection, surging the number of active cases to 3,381. Also 314 more persons recovered from the viral infection, adding up to 17,354 recovered cases so far. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma reviewed the COVID-19 situation in the state last night. Chief Minister Dr. Sarma directed the Health Department to conduct 1 lakh COVID tests daily. He also asked the government to procure 50 lakh rapid antigen test kits to intensify testing. He directed to increase institutional quarantine, micro-containment zones and COVID care centers in a bid to arrest surging COVID-19 cases in Assam. In Manipur, 17 persons died due to COVID-19 and 666 more persons were confirmed as new positive cases yesterday. Meanwhile, 358 COVID-19 patients, including 269 in home isolation, were discharged following recovery. The number of active cases stands at 5,272. So far, 2,82,958 persons have been given COVID-19 vaccination in Manipur. There has been no respite to Nagaland's upscaling trend of corona cases. The state recorded its highest single-day spike of 338 COVID-19 cases, pushing the tally to 16,890 yesterday. Also, 9 deaths were recorded, taking the COVID death tally in the state to 154. On the other hand, 98 more positive patients have recovered. The total recovered cases in the state stood at 12,877, while the number of active cases was 3,297. The Meghalaya government has started a backup mechanism after the bed occupancy in hospitals reached 60% in Shillong. A total of 300 beds with 100 beds with oxygen concentrators will be arranged at Indian Institute of Management. Another center will be set up at Umsoli with 100-bed capacity, of which 40 beds will be with oxygen facilities. Currently, there are 21 hospitals in Meghalaya with COVID-19 wings. The total existing beds are 707, out of which 416 beds have been occupied. The Meghalaya Police Department has requested the general public to report any fake news relating to COVID-19 circulating in social media or any other medium. They can report about this to the COVID-19 fake news verification portal of Meghalaya Police. The public have been requested to verify the authenticity of any information before uploading or circulating through social media, as it may create fear among the citizens. The Assam government yesterday issued new standard operating procedures for urban and semi-urban areas within 5 kilometers from the periphery of municipal corporation, municipal boards and revenue boards. The government has ordered to shut down all shops and business establishments at 1 p.m. daily due to the COVID situation. All educational institutions, government and non-government offices will remain closed for 15 days. However, online classes will be continued for students. Religious places will also remain closed for 15 days. Public transport will be operated with only 30% seating capacity. There will be no movement of individuals from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. In Assam, Ahar, a free meal distribution initiative with the motto of fighting hunger, feeding future, is winning hearts in Guwahati city. This initiative is being taken up by an NGO, KU 365, with the aim to provide healthy meals to roadside dwellers, and the service is being received by the needy through their food van. Thousands of people are being fed by this organization in Guwahati during COVID situation. The organization is working actively in various other fields like providing study materials to visually impaired, besides women empowerment through technological advancement. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.